At Email Broadcast, we know you want to win more business. In order to do that, you need to use effective marketing tools like email marketing, which is still ranked as the #1 marketing tool. Yep, good old email marketing is about 40 times as effective at getting new business as Facebook and Twitter combined, according to the IDC. The problem is that great email marketing is hard, and doing it yourself is costing you sales. It requires not only knowing the right strategy that's sure to work for your business, but a very broad set of skills that are wildly different, like design, copywriting, coding, and sales expertise. Most businesses are asking 1 or 2 people on their team to fulfill these very different requirements. That's why their email campaign is failing to drive the results that they want. To say it another way, effective email marketing requires a bunch of time and resources that you simply don't have. I get it. This can make you feel overwhelmed, depressed, afraid that you're falling behind your competition. If you're embarrassed about your current email marketing, you know exactly what I mean. At Email Broadcast, we believe you deserve an email campaign that you're not only proud of, but that makes you money. We understand you don't have the time or money to hire the 4 or 5 experts it takes to run a world-class email campaign, so we've done that for you. Email Broadcast team of experts has been running successful email marketing campaigns for companies just like yours since the year 2000. We helped one retailer go from 0 to running $10 million a year through their email channel. We helped a fishing lodge improve sales 37% their first year and have their best year ever, twice, back to back. We helped an e-commerce site add 14,000 subscribers a month, growing their list 275% their first year. If you're interested in these kind of results, here's how we do it. First, we meet. We start with a 20-minute free consultation to talk about your specific business needs. If it looks like we can make you money, we'll keep talking. Second, we review a proposal. After we have all the facts, we'll provide a proposal on exactly how email marketing can impact your business and what it'll cost. Third, you win more business. As we execute your email campaign, you'll celebrate that you finally have a world-class email campaign that you're not only proud of, but that makes you money. So, book an appointment now for your free 20-minute consultation. We can talk about your business and how you can profit from email marketing. In the meantime, be sure to sign up below to get the top 5 classic email marketing mistakes that almost all businesses are making. Here's the bottom line. Let Email Broadcast handle your email marketing so you can stop losing sales and instead start profiting from email marketing. Go ahead and book your free 20-minute consultation now, and I'll see you then.